incredibly excited to have been selected for the Melbourne Winter School at the University of Melbourne.
So hey everyone, myself Mridul Krishna Kaur.
I'm Kiran Pillai.
Hi everyone, I'm Jiauri.
My name is Vishwajit Singh.
My name is Arman Bhardwaj. I'm a BBA International Business student at the Amity International Business School in Amity University Noida.
I'm really excited and grateful for this opportunity of Melbourne Winter School program at University of Melbourne.
At the Melbourne Winter School, I'll be taking part in interactive lectures, collaborative workshops, and real-world case studies alongside students from across the world.
It is especially exciting for me. I wanted to get out of my comfort zone, understand real-world problems that the world is facing as of now, to also learn from world-class faculty and understand global exposure on the scale Amity provides it to be.
The benefit of these global collaborations are that students learn what is happening around the world, what they want to pursue, and changes their perspective, how they think, how they learn, and how they develop.
I am proud to represent Amity and India, and I encourage every student to make the most out of the incredible international opportunities that our university has to offer.
To everyone watching, take the opportunities that Amity provides. I am so glad that I took the leap, and you should be too. Thank you so much, Amity University Noida.
I encourage every student to indulge into such opportunities because learning truly goes beyond borders.